Hello traders, welcome back to episode 6 of the series. If you are new to the channel, I go by Jack, and this is where I document my real unfiltered journey of starting from a small 5k pro firm account and working my way towards 6 figures funding. After some rough pages earlier in this phase 2, this week felt like a small turning point for me, and let's jump right into the weekly recap. There wasn't surprise that I started the week with another losing trade. It was the only trade that I have taken on Monday after waiting for more than 30 minutes into my trading session. My trading setup eventually presented itself, so I took the trade. Unfortunately, the trade hit my stop loss and I called it a day with 1 hour loss. Tuesday was the day that I started implementing the set and forget approach on my trade management. As you can see, the price came close to my TP and it retraced back to my entry point before eventually bouncing back to the TP level. As I'm now having a smaller target, so I ended the day with 1.5 hour profit. Now let's move on to Wednesday. I have taken 2 trades on this day, and this was the first trade of the day, which ended with a loss. The second trade of the day was taken around 30 minutes after my previous loss, and it was a smooth one. There was almost no drawdown right after my entry, and eventually the price hit my TP. I gained around 1.5 hour profit with this trade, so I ended the day with a small win of 0.5 hour profit. Coming to Thursday, which was a big mental win for me, I waited for around 50 minutes into my trading session before finally taking this setup. It wasn't the smooth one like the previous day. After my entry, the price retraced into my drawdown area before it eventually bounced back and hit my TP. And the fun fact is that this was actually the first ever back-to-back winner trade since the start of my 5k to 6 figure funded challenge, from passing the phase 1 and now we are in this phase 2. It's not about huge profits because my win per trade was only 1.5 hour. It's about rebuilding my consistency and confidence slowly, step by step. There were no trade on Friday because I was traveling, and I chose not to force anything remotely or stress about missing opportunities, because protecting mental capital is just as important as protecting the account capital. So as a quick stats recap for this week, I have taken 5 trades in total, being Monday 1 loser, Tuesday 1 winner, Wednesday 1 loser and 1 winner, and eventually Thursday another winner. No trades on Friday. So I got my back-to-back wins on Thursday, and my phase 2 account is still active and within drawdown, but there was a slight recovery. So the one thing that I'm proud of this week is I really stuck to the plan for set and forget. I didn't micromanage my trades unless it's absolutely necessary. I trusted my stop losses and TPs, and also to let the trades breathe. It wasn't a perfect one, but mentally I felt more cleaner compared to earlier weeks where I was second guessing the entries and exits too much. So if you are getting value out of this journey or the video through my wins and setbacks, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and turn on notification. Thanks for watching this episode 6. I see you in the next one.